Today we will talk about the steps of style editing, or what editing firms call substantive editing. Style editing or substantive editing in the editing world requires good knowledge of the English language. Good editing firms insist that the editor must be from the same major. The reason is that editor rewrite or change the structure of sentences. If you send your work to an editing firm, make sure you ask for an editor with the same major as yours for better results. The first step in style editing is to check the article narrative. This time you will need to connect sentences within each point if necessary, and also to connect paragraphs as well. You may need words such as because, therefore, or but to create a story. Now try to read the whole piece and edit English to make it clear. Use elegant, simple, and colorful sentences. In another word, you need to substitute the common words and use more elegant, simple ones. You can use the Thesaurus browser to provide you with better synonyms. For example, replace do with execute, level with does, and highlight with expose. Make the piece reading well by removing clutter such as extra sentences, over-explaining, repeated sentences, and unneeded acronyms. Put quote sentences, if there are any, in separate paragraphs for easier reading. Edit the opening paragraph into a cool, polished paragraph and create a compelling end paragraph. In general, flourish and stylize the whole article. If you are writing for a public, non-specialized audience, try to remove technical terms and replace them with more interesting ones. Check if references, names, places, numbers, and units are correct. We already checked those in content and structural editing, but now take another look if you missed any details. Are the references organized and written in the same way? Sometimes when you insert the reference automatically, you will see that the inserted reference has a capitalized title. Change it and use a capital letter for the first letter only. I will do the substantive editing exercise with the proof editing exercise, as both are English language editing.